delivering quality education, expanding access to learning, serving learners' learning needs, tackling challenges of the present time, supporting every learner's dream, reaching young Pagamenyos where they are today. From the music capital of the Philippines, advancing in the challenge of distance learning, the official TV-based instruction of DepEd Tagum City, bringing you quality education straight to your home. Plug yourself in. This is DepEd TV. Tara na!
It's a wonderful day for a new science adventure that you will surely love. I am Teacher Winky and I will be your Science 4 teacher for today's lesson. So ready your pen, notebook, module, and yourself as we go to another episode of Science Discoveries. For today's lesson, you will be able to describe the changes in properties of materials when mixed with other materials. Specifically, you will identify the homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture and explain the changes of materials when mixed with other substances. So what are you waiting for? Let's begin! Let us first have a short recap on our previous lesson about heating and cooling. You learned that heating and cooling can cause the material to change. But how about we mix different materials? What will happen? Will there be a change? Do you also love to mix different materials for fun? Well, that will be the focus of our lesson today. Now, think of any product that you use every day that is composed of more than one substance. Do you have in mind? Great! There are so many materials around us that is composed of more than one material. From your meals, drinks, or even the air we breathe, those are composed of different substances. So, when two or more materials are combined, they form a mixture. Yes, mixture. Mixture is a combination of different materials. Water plus milk and tea equals milk tea. That's mixture. Ice plus melon, mango, and other fruits equals halo-halo. That's also a mixture. Yes, liquid can be mixed with other liquid materials or solid materials. And solid materials can be mixed with liquid or other solid materials. But do you know that there are two kinds of mixtures? The homogeneous mixtures and the heterogeneous mixtures. But what's the difference between these two? To deeply understand about these two, let me give you an example. Can you tell what is in the first picture? Right, it is an orange juice. How about the second picture? Is this a pizza? Absolutely right. Now, can you see the other substance that was mixed to this orange juice? No, we can only see the overall appearance of it. It's just an orange juice, right? This is an example of homogeneous mixture. A homogeneous mixture has a uniform composition. Like the orange juice, you cannot see the sugar and the orange powder, right? All you can see is just the orange water. Another example of homogeneous mixture is the air around us. We cannot see the carbon dioxide or the oxygen mixtures, right? But we can see or feel just the air. But how about this pizza? A lot of substance or materials are mixed here. Yes, we can see the toppings, the cheese, pineapples, the sauce, and more. So, is this a homogeneous mixture? Of course not. A pizza is an example of heterogeneous mixture. Because heterogeneous mixture has non-uniform composition throughout its mass. And we can clearly see the particles in heterogeneous mixture, just like the toppings of this pizza. Another example of heterogeneous mixture is the vegetable salad, because we can clearly see the particles being mixed together, like okra, eggplant, kangkong, and other ingredients. A homogeneous mixture has the same appearance and composition throughout. Many homogeneous mixtures are referred to as solution, while heterogeneous mixtures are composed of visible or can be seen particles or materials such as gas, solid, or liquid. Now, let me give you a scenario. It is a hot weather, and you are with your best friend, and you want to quench your thirst and to freshen up. You bought halo-halo, and your best friend bought lemonade. Can you identify which from your beverages is homogeneous and heterogeneous? You can write down your answer in your notebook. Did you now understand the homogeneous and the heterogeneous mixtures? Great! Now let me ask you kids, why are mixtures so important? Of course, mixtures are important because it helps form or create new things. Just like the air we breathe, it is an example of mixture. Mixtures are used in many processes, such as making chorizo, tocino, and lumpia. Some solid materials, when mixed with other solid or liquid, cannot be distinguished or identified from each other, such as some liquid materials mixed with other liquid materials. This mixture is called the homogeneous mixture. For examples are flour and cornstarch, lemonade, milk, and coffee. When solid materials are mixed with other solid materials, each of the combined or mixed materials can be easily defined or identified, such as some liquid materials when mixed with other liquid materials like water and oil. This mixture is called the heterogeneous mixture. Few examples are halo-halo, fruit salad, and pizza. Now, in your science activity notebook, I want you to draw an example of homogeneous mixture. Describe the appearance of each mixture and draw another 3 pictures of heterogeneous mixture and describe the appearance of each mixture. Did you enjoy your activity? Great! Were you able to draw all the materials asked? Good job! Now, let's have another activity. Are you ready? Direction. Describe the appearance of the resulting mixture of each set of materials when mixed well. Right can be distinguished or cannot be distinguished. Example, salt plus water equals cannot be distinguished. You will be given 10 seconds to answer each item. Are you ready? Let's start. Number 1. Fresh milk plus hot water. What is your answer? What is your answer? If your answer is cannot be distinguished, you got it right. How about number 2? Cooking oil plus soy sauce. The correct answer is can be distinguished. Do you have the same answer with me? Awesome! Let's try number 3. Flour plus cornstarch. What is your answer? Correct! We cannot distinguish flour and cornstarch when mixed since they have the same appearance. Great observation, kids! How about number 4? Black pepper and vinegar. Can it be distinguished or not? What is your answer? Well, if your answer is this, you got it right. Black pepper cannot blend in to the properties of vinegar. That is why we can easily distinguish them from each other. Let us try to answer number 5. Coffee plus creamer, what would be the answer? If your answer is, that is correct. Great job, everyone. Did you get all the correct answers? Great! Now it's time to try the fruit of our journey. Direction. Identify the letter that best completes the statement or answers the question. You have 10 seconds to answer each item. Number 1. Mixture is important because A. It is used in many processes. For example, mixing ingredients to our food when we cook. B. Even the air we breathe is an example of mixture. C. It helps us make new things. D. All of the above. Number 2. Which of the following mixture is an example of homogeneous? A. Flour and baby powder. B. Paper clips and pins. C. Milkshake and sago or tapioca pearls. D. Pebbles and water. Number 3. Differentiate homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. A. Homogeneous has one uniform appearance throughout, while heterogeneous consists of visibly different substances or phases. B. Heterogeneous has one uniform appearance throughout, while homogeneous consists of visibly different substances or phases. C. Both choices A and B are correct. D. None of the above. Now let's check your answers. For number 1, what is your answer? If your answer is letter D, you are amazing! How about number 2? If your answer is letter A, you are correct! Good job, kids! Let's proceed to number 3. If your answer is letter A, you're also correct! Great job! Did you enjoy our lesson today? Me too! If you listen carefully, answering your module will be just a piece of cake. Now, let's have a short recap for our lesson today. I have a question for you. What is the difference between homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture? Yes! Homogeneous mixture has the same or uniform composition or appearance, while heterogeneous mixtures are composed or consist of visibly different materials or substances. Awesome! I'm so proud of you kids! I'm pretty sure that you can now answer all the activities in your module for all the learnings that we have today. Always remember that mixture is everywhere and that matters really matter. I'm Teacher Winkelyn as Clet, your Science 4 teacher, reminding you that you can mix anything, but do not mix dangerous things. Thank you. Have a great day.